In a decisive crackdown to restore discipline and ensure campus safety, Higher Education Minister Surjavanshi Suraj on Wednesday directed the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University to impose a strict ban on the entry of non-students into the Vani Vihar campus. The directive clearly states that no outsider or unauthorized person, including local residents not affiliated with the university, will be allowed inside. The move aims to protect the academic environment and prevent external interference. The minister warned that violators will face strict action under the law and university rules. The state government stands firmly with the students and is committed to their safety. This strong response follows recent unrest at Gopabandhu Hostel, where students locked gates in protest against the hostel warden, escalating tensions and prompting a police deployment. According to the minister, the unrest began after the university administration attempted to evict unauthorized individuals from the hostel. The Vice Chancellor has now been instructed to act strictly as per law and university provisions. With immediate effect, access will be limited to only students, faculty, staff, and authorized persons, as the government takes firm steps to reclaim the sanctity of the academic campus.
अणछात्र मानक वैकेंट करबा पाई नोटिस जिबारु वार्डन प्रयास करिबारु भिसी प्रयास करिबारु ए कथा हेछि एवं भिसी को भी मध्य सरकार तरफ कह जे जहाँ नियम मुताबिक विधि निर्धारित एवं विश्वविद्यालय जहाँ नियमावली अच्छी से जमी कौन आंच न आसु एवं ताहाकू अवरोध कला भाया जदि किए करुछंती ताहले आईन अनुसार जहाँ दंड पाइबा कथा से पाइबे। अणछात्र शैक्षिक वातावरण सहित जो माने नियोजित नथिबे जो माने इन्वॉल्व नथिबे से जी भी हुंतु।